The immune system is a complex and fascinating network within the human body that serves as a formidable defense against harmful invaders, such as bacteria. When bacteria breach the body's external barriers, such as the skin and mucous membranes, the immune system is designed to identify, target, and eliminate these pathogens to prevent infection and maintain overall health. Bacteria are microscopic organisms that can cause a wide range of infections, from minor ailments to life-threatening conditions. The immune system's response to bacterial invasion involves a multifaceted approach that includes both innate and adaptive immune mechanisms. The innate immune system acts as the first line of defense against bacterial intruders. This non-specific part of the immune system deploys various types of white blood cells, such as macrophages and neutrophils, to engulf and destroy invading bacteria. These cells are like the body's initial foot soldiers, rapidly mobilizing to contain and neutralize bacterial threats before they can cause widespread harm. In the event that certain bacteria manage to evade the innate immune response and establish an infection, the adaptive immune system comes into play. This specialized branch of the immune system orchestrates a more targeted and precise attack against specific types of bacteria. This response involves the production of antibodies and the activation of specific immune cells, such as T cells and B cells, which work in synergy to identify, neutralize, and eliminate the invading bacteria. One of the remarkable features of the adaptive immune system is its ability to form immunological memory. When the body is exposed to a particular strain of bacteria, the immune system remembers the encounter and mounts a more rapid and effective response upon subsequent exposures. This memory function is pivotal in providing long-term immunity and protection against recurrent bacterial infections. However, there are instances when the immune system may struggle to combat bacterial infections, leading to illness and potential complications. In such cases, medical intervention in the form of antibiotics may be necessary. Antibiotics are medications designed to target and eliminate bacterial pathogens, either by destroying them outright or by impeding their growth and reproduction. By partnering with the immune system, antibiotics can bolster the body's defenses and help overcome stubborn bacterial infections. It's important to note that while antibiotics can be invaluable in treating bacterial infections, their overuse or misuse can contribute to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, posing a significant public health concern. As such, using antibiotics prudently and as prescribed by healthcare professionals is essential to combating antibiotic resistance and maintaining the efficacy of these crucial medications. In summary, the immune system's response to bacterial infection is a marvel of biological defense. Through a coordinated interplay of innate and adaptive immune mechanisms, the body can recognize, target, and neutralize bacterial threats, thereby safeguarding overall health and well-being. Understanding the immune system's role in defending against bacterial infections underscores the importance of maintaining a strong and resilient immune system through healthy habits, vaccination, and responsible antibiotic use. How does the immune system fight off bacterial infections? The immune system is a marvel of biological defense, equipped with an array of mechanisms to fight off bacterial infections. When bacteria breach the body's external barriers, such as the skin and mucous membranes, the immune system deploys a coordinated response involving innate and adaptive immune mechanisms to identify, target, and neutralize the invaders. The innate immune system serves as the body's initial line of defense against bacterial intruders. This non-specific response involves physical barriers such as the skin and mucous membranes, as well as cellular components such as macrophages, neutrophils, and natural killer cells. These specialized white blood cells rapidly recognize and engulf invading bacteria, effectively preventing their spread and neutralizing them through a process called phagocytosis. Additionally, the innate immune system triggers an inflammatory response, characterized by increased blood flow to the affected area the release of signaling molecules, and the recruitment of additional immune cells to the site of infection, all of which are aimed at containing and eliminating the bacterial threat. If certain bacteria manage to evade the innate immune response and establish an infection, the adaptive immune system comes into play. This highly specific branch of the immune system mounts a targeted and precise attack against particular types of bacteria. The adaptive immune response involves the activation of T cells and B cells, which work synergistically to identify, neutralize, and eliminate the invading bacteria. B cells, also known as B lymphocytes, produce specialized proteins called antibodies that are tailored to bind to specific components of the bacterial invaders, marking them for destruction by other immune cells. Antibodies can neutralize bacteria by blocking their ability to infect host cells and by tagging them for recognition and destruction by phagocytic cells or complement proteins. T cells, on the other hand, play a critical role in directly targeting and eliminating infected cells. Certain T cells, known as cytotoxic T cells, are capable of recognizing and destroying cells that have been infected by bacteria, thus preventing the further spread of the infection. One of the most remarkable features of the adaptive immune system is its ability to form immunological memory. When the body encounters a particular type of bacteria, the immune system remembers the encounter and mounts a rapid and robust response upon subsequent exposures. This memory function is pivotal in providing long-term immunity and protection against recurrent bacterial infections. In addition to these cellular and molecular responses, the immune system also employs a sophisticated network of communication and regulation to ensure that its activities are finely tuned and controlled. The release of signaling molecules, known as cytokines and chemokines, coordinates the activities of immune cells, modulates inflammation, and promotes tissue repair following an infection. Furthermore, the immune system's ability to recognize self from non-self is crucial in preventing autoimmune reactions, wherein the body mistakenly targets its own cells and tissues. This self-recognition is largely mediated by the remarkable diversity of immune cell receptors and the processes that ensure tolerance to the body's own tissues. In summary, the immune system fights off bacterial infections through a multi-pronged approach that involves the rapid and non-specific response of the innate immune system, followed by the targeted and precise actions of the adaptive immune system. By leveraging these sophisticated mechanisms, the body can effectively combat bacterial invaders and maintain overall health and well-being. Maintaining a strong and resilient immune system through healthy habits, vaccination, and responsible antibiotic use is crucial to support its vital role in defending against bacterial infections. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. See you in the next video.